What if I told you that you could make an extra $1,000 every month without quitting your job? Sounds too good to be true, right? Like those one weird trick ads? But nope, this is the real deal. Today, I'm going to show you real-life examples of people who are actually doing it. No scams, no fluff, just proven side hustles that work. So stick around, because you might just find your next money-making idea. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to make an extra $1,000 a month, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into the 15 best side hustles that can help you pad your wallet without sacrificing your sanity. So, grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's get hustling. Now, before we jump into the juicy details, let's talk about what a side hustle really is. It's like a part-time job, but without the boss breathing down your neck, unless you count your cat. Side hustles are flexible, creative, and can be tailored to fit your lifestyle. So, whether you're a night owl or an early bird, there's something here for you. Side hustle number 1, furniture flipping. Let's kick things off with a unique side hustle. Furniture flipping. McKay Floyd, a former teacher from Atlanta, has turned aged furniture into significant earnings. She buys cheap furniture from Facebook Marketplace, thrift stores, and garage sales, gives them a makeover, and sells them for a profit. What started as a hobby now earns her $3,500 to $5,000 a month. Her furniture sales become far more profitable than her teaching job. Imagine transforming an old chair into cash. Pretty cool, right? And let's be honest, that IKEA chair you built backwards might be worth something too. How you can do it? Look for free or cheap furniture on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Learn simple refurbishing skills from YouTube. Sell your finished pieces on platforms like eBay, Etsy, or even Instagram. Side hustle number 2. Laundry services. Would you believe me if I told you people are making $1,000 a month doing laundry? Well, Natalie, a stay-at-home mom, started this as a side hustle after seeing a TikTok trend. She picks up laundry, washes, dries, folds, and delivers it, all within 48 hours. And guess what? It's helping her pay off debt and support her family. I mean, if you're already drowning in laundry, you might as well get paid for it, right? How you can do it? Offer laundry services on platforms like TaskRabbit or Craigslist. Charge per load and include pickup delivery for extra cash. Upsell by offering ironing or premium detergent options. Side hustle number 3, house cleaning services. People will pay good money to avoid cleaning their own homes. Platforms like TaskRabbit and Handy let you offer cleaning services, and some cleaners are making over $1,000 a month doing it. And hey, at least you won't have to clean your own house if you're too busy cleaning others. How you can do it? Offer house cleaning on TaskRabbit or Craigslist. Charge per job or by the hour. Use eco-friendly products to attract more clients. Side hustle number 4, dog walking and pet sitting. For all the animal lovers out there, how about pet sitting? If you love dogs, this side hustle is basically getting paid to make new furry friends. Apps like Rover and Wag let you earn $15 to $25 per walk. And some dog sitters make over $1,000 a month. Not bad for playing fetch and handing out belly rubs. Plus, let's be real, dogs are way better clients than humans. No last-minute changes, no micromanaging, just unconditional love and the occasional slobber. Emily discovered she could make $800 a month just by watching her neighbor's pets. She got paid to play with puppies. Just remember, no matter how cute they are, don't give them your snacks. How you can do it? Sign up on pet sitting apps like Rover or Wag. Offer dog walking, pet sitting, or overnight stays. Build good reviews and get repeat customers. Side hustle number 5, vending machine business. What if your money could work for you, even while you sleep? That's exactly what Brandon Schlichter from Ohio figured out with his vending machine business. He started with an initial investment of $1,400 for a soda vending machine, placed it in a high-traffic area, and now makes about $900 a month from it. That's nearly passive income. And the only time he breaks a sweat is when he restocks the snacks. How you can do it? Buy a vending machine, new or used, from online marketplaces. Secure a location in malls, gyms, or offices. Stock it with snacks and drinks, then collect your earnings. Now, let's talk about online businesses you can run from literally anywhere. No office, no commute. Heck, you don't even have to change out of your pajamas. These side hustles let you make money remotely, all from the comfort of your couch or bed, no judgment. Side hustle number 6, print-on-demand business. Do you love creating designs but don't want to deal with inventory? That's where print-on-demand comes in. You create designs for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, upload them to platforms like Redbubble or Teespring, and they handle the rest: printing, shipping, and customer service. And the best part? People are making over $1,000 a month doing this. You get to be a fashion mogul without ever touching a t-shirt. How you can do it? Use free tools like Canva to design graphics. Upload them to print-on-demand sites. Promote your products on social media or Etsy. Side hustle number 7, stock photography. Next, we have stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, why not sell your photos online? Tom, a weekend warrior with his camera, started uploading his photos to stock sites and made $1,000 a month. Who knew his love for sunsets could pay the bills? How to start making money with stock photography. 1. Capture high-quality and in-demand photos. Focus on popular themes like business, lifestyle, nature, and technology. Use good lighting and a high-resolution camera. Even a smartphone can work. Avoid copyrighted content. Keep it original. 2. Upload to top stock photo websites. Sign up for platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, or Pexels. Follow each platform's submission guidelines. Tag your photos with relevant keywords to improve visibility. 3. Earn passive income. Every time someone downloads your photo, you earn a commission. Keep uploading regularly to increase your portfolio and earnings. Promote your work on social media to attract buyers. Stock photography is a great passive income stream. Snap, upload, and let your photos work for you. So, ready to level up your income? I've already shared 7 incredible side hustles, and now I'm about to unveil 8 more online gems that could transform your financial future. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss these game changers. Side hustle number 8, freelance services. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start making money online. People are earning over $1,000 a month by offering skills like graphic design, writing, video editing, and social media management on sites like Fiverr and Upwork. If you have a skill, why not get paid for it? I mean, you're already giving free tech support to your family. Might as well start charging. How you can do it? Create a profile on Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Offer services like writing, logo design, or video editing. Deliver quality work and grow your client base. Side hustle number 9, virtual assistant. Let's not forget about being a virtual assistant. Jenny took the plunge and became a virtual assistant, helping small businesses with admin tasks. She brought in $1,500 a month while still being there for her kids. Talk about a superhero. Here are 3 key steps to start a virtual assistant side hustle. Pick your niche and skills. Decide what services you'll offer: email management, social media, data entry, scheduling, etc. Focus on skills businesses need the most. Create an online presence. Set up a simple portfolio on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Even a one-page website or a professional-looking social media profile can help you stand out. Find clients and start earning. Apply for gigs on freelancing platforms, network in Facebook groups, and reach out to small business owners who might need your help. Side hustle number 10, online tutoring. Moving on to online tutoring. If you've got a skill, share it. If you know math, science, or even how to play the ukulele, you can teach it online. Platforms like VIPKid, Wyzant, Tutor.com, or TutorMe pay you to tutor students all over the world. Some tutors are making over $1,000 a month just by sharing their knowledge. It's basically getting paid to do your homework, except you're the smart one this time. Meet Alex, a college student who turned his love for math into a tutoring gig. He made $1,000 a month, and he didn't even have to wear pants. Just kidding, Alex. How you can do it. Sign up on tutoring platforms like VIPKid or WYZANET. Offer lessons in subjects you're good at. Set your own schedule and start earning. Side hustle number 11, blogging. Now, let's chat about blogging. It's not just for hipsters in coffee shops. Lisa started a cooking blog and, within a year, was making $1,200 a month through ads and affiliate marketing. Plus, she got to eat all the delicious food. Win! Win! Here are 3 key steps to start a blogging side hustle. 1. Pick a profitable niche. Choose a topic you're passionate about and that people actively search for, e.g., personal finance, tech, travel, or health. Use Google Trends or keyword research tools to find demand. 2. Set up your blog. Get a domain name and hosting, like Bluehost or SiteGround, install WordPress, and start writing valuable content that solves problems or answers questions. 3. Monetize with ads and affiliate links. Once you have traffic, earn through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, promoting products, sponsored posts, or even selling your own digital products. Side hustle number 12, affiliate marketing. Speaking about affiliate marketing, Sarah, a lifestyle blogger, started promoting products she loved and made $2,000 a month through affiliate links. It's like getting paid to recommend your favorite snacks. Just be sure to share with me. How to start an affiliate marketing side hustle. Pick a profitable niche. Choose a topic you're passionate about and that has high-paying affiliate programs: tech, finance, health, etc. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank to get unique product links to promote. Create content and drive traffic. Use YouTube, blogs, or social media to recommend products, write reviews, or make tutorial videos. Each click can earn you commissions. Side hustle number 13, dropshipping. We've already covered affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission, but we can't move forward without mentioning its cousin, dropshipping. Instead of just promoting products, you're actually selling them without ever touching a single box. It's like running an online store, minus the hassle of stocking inventory in your garage. Meet Jack, an entrepreneur who made $2,500 per month selling products online without holding any inventory. He used platforms like Shopify and Oberlo to find products and manage his store. With some marketing know-how and a passion for e-commerce, Jack was able to turn his idea into a profitable business. Meet Lisa, who turned her love for quirky socks into a $2,000 a month dropshipping business. She created an online store, marketed her products, and never had to pack a box. Just be prepared to deal with some interesting customer questions, like, do these socks come with a guarantee of happiness? How to start a dropshipping side hustle. 1. Pick a profitable niche. Choose trending or evergreen products with high demand and good profit margins. Think pet accessories, tech gadgets, or home decor. 2. Set up your online store. Use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce and connect it with suppliers from AliExpress, Spocket, or CJ Dropshipping. 3. Market and sell like a pro. Run Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok ads. Use influencer marketing and optimize your store for SEO to drive sales without holding any inventory. Side hustle number 14. Digital products. How about selling digital products? Think ebooks, printables, or online courses. Selling digital products is a great way to earn passive income. From printables and ebooks to online courses, people are making thousands of dollars per month with one-time work. Mark created an ebook about personal finance and started making $1,200 a month. And the best part? Once it's created, it's like money in your sleep. How you can do it. Create digital products, planners, templates, guides. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your website. Automate sales and enjoy passive income. Side hustle number 15. Social media management. If you're always glued to your phone anyway, why not get paid for it? Businesses need social media managers, and some freelancers make $1,000 plus a month just by handling posts, comments, and engagement. Finally, scrolling through Instagram can be considered work. Jessica graduated and found clients needing help with their social media presence. She made $1,000 a month while scrolling through Instagram. Her favorite pastime, how you can do it. Offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to businesses. Manage posts, ads, and community engagement. Upsell with content creation and analytics reports. So, there you have it. 15 proven side hustles that real people are using to make an extra $1,000 or more every month. Remember, the key is to choose something you enjoy and can commit to. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which side hustle you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling.